So now that I've colored in my watermelon slice, I'm adding some black seeds with a black marker. And there. Quite happy with that. So once you're done, you can then glue on your badge. Just make sure you're very careful with this. Perhaps get an adult to help you undo the badge, the badge pin, sorry, because it can be a little bit tricky putting it back in. So use your PVA glue. It's helpful if the glue has got a little nozzle like this one. Just put a little dab of glue in the center. Stick your pin on, and now all you have to do is wait.